So this is the materials needed: coffee for the stock solution, clean water, 1 measuring cup with milliliter markings, 5 identical transparent glasses or cup, a clean spoon or stirring rod. The first procedure is prepare the stock solution. In the first glass, mix 100 ml of water with teaspoon 5 ml of coffee. Stir thoroughly to ensure an even color. This is the stock solution. Procedure 2. The glass 2. Use the measuring cup to carefully transfer 50 ml of the stock solution from glass 1 into glass 2 and add 50 ml of clean water to glass 2 using the measuring cup. Stir thoroughly to mix. The third procedure for the glass 3 is measure 50 ml of solution from glass 2 and transfer it to the glass 3. Add 50 ml of water to glass 3 and stir. Repeat this process for glass 4 and glass 5, each time taking 50 ml from the previous glass and mixing it with 50 ml of water. The fourth procedure is line up the glasses in order and observe how the color fades as the solution becomes more diluted.